Welcome to science class, Acid, Bases and Salts. Part 1. What is an H+ ion? The H+ ion is just a hydrogen atom without its electron. A normal hydrogen atom has 1 proton in the nucleus, 1 electron outside. When hydrogen loses its electron, only the proton is left. That is H+ ion.
Hey, I releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water.
Then you are an acid. So, an acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Example, hydrochloric acid when put in water releases hydrogen ions and chlorine. The H+ ions make the solution acidic. The chlorine ion stays in the solution but does not cause acidity.
Examples of acids in real life: citric acid in lemon, acetic acid in vinegar, hydrochloric acid as stomach acid, carbonic acid in soft drinks, sulfuric acid in batteries. H releases hydroxide ions when dissolved in water.
Then you are a base.
Base is a substance that release hydroxide ions when dissolved in water. Example is sodium hydroxide. Examples of base in daily life: sodium hydroxide is used in soap making. Calcium hydroxide is used to make cement. Magnesium hydroxide is used in toothpaste. Ammonium hydroxide is used in fertilizers. What are salts? When an acid reacts with base, salt and water is formed. Example, hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives salt and water. Example of salt in daily life: sodium chloride in table salt, sodium bicarbonate in baking powder, sodium carbonate in washing soda, calcium carbonate in chalk. Properties of acids: it tastes sour. It feels sticky on skin on touch. It turns blue litmus paper red. It conducts electricity. It reacts with metals and product hydrogen gas. Properties of bases: it tastes bitter. It feels soapy. It turns red litmus paper blue. It conducts electricity. It reacts with oils to form soap. Properties of salts: it tastes salty. It have high melting and boiling point. It conducts electricity. It is soluble in water. Video by Anand Mohandas.